Hey guys, it's Melissa. I am excited to be able to introduce you to Epson's new Flatbed UV desktop printer, the V1070. This is a true desktop size at just 28 by 28 by 17. As you can see, it fits perfectly on a desk, no matter what size work area you have. Not only can it do direct to film, but it can also print UV direct to object. So it's a low initial investment with super high quality output, vivid colors, smooth gradations. I'm going to show you some close-ups as we get into this video, but I do want you to see just how compact this printer is. Even though it is small as far as the footprint, it still has a really good printing size. You can print up to 22.7 inches thick, and the platform itself is 8.3 by 11.7, so a really good size as far as the type of media that it can handle. The dual capability, as I mentioned, direct to film and direct to object, which gives you a lot of versatility. I'm going to show you it in action. As I showed you here, I do have one in my office. It is not set up yet because I want to do not only an unboxing, but also a full setup for you. It uses Epson's Ultra Chrome UV ink technology, and it comes in these 140 milliliter pouches. You will get two 140 milliliter white ink cartridge, two 140 milliliter varnish, and then a full set of CMYK, each at 140 milliliters as well. Those all snap into the unique ink cartridge system that the Epson V1070 uses. Now, when it's time to replace them, and these will last a while, you'll be able to replace them. They're just $70 per cartridge. And then everything else as far as maintenance goes is very user-friendly and intuitive. You can change out the waste cartridge yourself, tank yourself, the wipers. There's a lot of built-in maintenance for this, so I know people are always asking, how is the maintenance on these printers? Epson, all of the Epson printers that I have, and whether that's sublimation or this UV or DTF, they all have worked very, very well as far as ease of use, maintenance, even if you don't use them every single day. In addition, as far as the maintenance, the touch panel is going to give you alerts, and automated cleaning cycles are built in. But then when you do have to do something, you're going to get a quick visual on the screen that's going to show you how and when to replace things like the wiper or the filter, different things like that. So very simple user replacement parts. Again, as always, the Epsons do a really good job of just walking you through. It comes with the software that you need. It's both PC and Mac compatible. And there you have it. I will, as I said, have lots more on the V1070. It will not be shipping until later in the spring. March of 2025 is the estimate. But if you're looking for more information, all of the links are in the description below, and I will be certain to bring you more videos, but this hopefully will give you a good first look at Epson's V1070 desktop UV dual DTO and DTF printer.